This is the bullpup stock that I make to put the Ruger 1022 in. 30 round mag, banana mag. Safety off. Okay. The Ruger's having a little bit of a feed problem, but you can see the stock doesn't look bad, it doesn't feel bad, it's fairly solid there. It doesn't really sound a whole lot different than a regular composite stock, but it is just ABS plastic. Okay, thank you.